Hi family, I'm back again with another DIY video and today I'm making okra shampoo. I'm going to show you how to use this amazing vegetable as your hair product because it contains lots of nutrient that is needed for healthy hair growth. And you guys already know I like to keep my ingredient very simple. So for this video, we are going to be using neem oil. If you have not seen that video where I talked about neem oil and I also showed you how to prepare it, please, I'm going to leave it in the description box. Make sure to check it out because you really need this oil because it has a lot of benefit. And I'm also going to be using melted raw black soap. We already know black soap contains a lot of benefit, and of course we are going to be using fresh okra. So I'm going to boil this okra for 5 minutes with 2 cups of water, and this is what we have after 5 minutes. We are not going to be using the okra seed, so I'm going to separate the seed from the juice that we got from boiling the okra because that's what we are going to be using in this video. We don't need the seed. You can discard it or you can use it to cook something. After the preparation, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to use this. Guys, did I mention that okra contains vitamin A, C, and K? And it also has calcium, potassium, and lots of other nutrients that are great for hair growth. It also helps in moisturizing a dry scalp and getting rid of dandruff. So guys, if you're looking out to grow a long and healthy hair, you should really consider using okra shampoo. And there are still other ways to use okra. You can use it to style your hair. You can use it as a conditioner. And if you want to see a video of how to make okra conditioner, please do well to leave it in the comment section. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to leave your comments in the comment section. So guys, till I see you guys in my next video, stay safe. Bye bye.